Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Thanks for joining me here in the no bra zone. It's funny, somebody reached out to me the other day and said, Kathleen, do you know that you have an advertisement for bras on your YouTube channel? I'm like, no way. It just cracked me up, guys. I have no control over what YouTube does or does not post as far as the commercials go, but I thought that was as funny as can be. So we're going to be doing a painting today with some leftover paints. I did a really cool all green painting. I was trying to, what inspired me was a Helleborus or a Christmas rose, or another common name is a Lenten rose. And I just love the colors, and I had so many left over that I thought I would do kind of a cool swipe. Now, a couple of weeks ago, my sweet dear friend Karen Durson from Waterfall Acrylics reached out to me and gave me a little lesson on how to do the bloom technique. And I'm missing a couple of the ingredients that I need, one which is the Australian Floetrol, so I've ordered it and am anxiously awaiting for its arrival so that I can jump on the bloom train and give that baby a try. But I had some leftover what they call pillow paint, and it's a house paint, an HGTV house paint. It's 2-part paints and 1 part polyacrylic by Minwax. So I'm thinking to myself, well, shoot, why don't I do something with this? So we're kind of experimenting. This is it right here. And I went ahead and also added some Floetrol to it because it's a little bit too thick for me. So this is going to be our base coat. Now I have no idea what it'll do, how it will react, or if anything different's going to happen, but I got it, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. So let's talk about our colors today. We have in this yummy cup, we have some Amsterdam Titanium White, and that is mixed with my pouring medium, which today is just Floetrol with a little bit of water. And the reason is I'm out of my GAC 800, but it is on the way. Praise be. But a little bit thicker than my normal paint consistency because the GAC 800 tends to make my paints a little bit thinner. Our next color today is golden green gold mixed with Floetrol, 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and just a smidgen of water if needed. I did not need any water in this because it's a golden paint and it is a fluid paint, so I did not need to add water to get this to the consistency that I'm hoping for. This next yummy color right here, 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, no water added because it's a mixture of, hi babe, my honey just got home, Folk Art Color Shift, and this is the Emerald Flash, and I added a little bit of the Golden Iridescent Pearl to it, which is fluid, so I did not have to add any water to get that to the consistency I was hoping for. Now this yummy color right here is, once again, the Color Shift by Folk Art Emerald Flash, but I did not put any of the Golden Iridescent Pearl in this one. So the one with just the golden flash is here. The one with a little bit of the iridescent pearl is here, just to lighten it up a little bit. This guy right here is Extreme Sheen, and this is the Jadeite mixed with my pouring medium, which today is Floetrol only. I added a little bit of water to this guy. final color is Golden Interference Green. This is 1 part paint, 3 parts Floetrol, no water, because this is a fluid paint. It's a high pigmented paint, and I did not need to add any water to it, and the pigment is so intense that you can add more pouring medium to your golden products. I hope that all makes sense, guys. I know it can sometimes just make your head spin. It certainly did mine when I first started painting a year ago. So if you ever have a question, reach out and ask. I'm always around to help. Okay, let's go ahead and get busy. I am going to put my base coat down, put some nice music on for y'all, put some nice music on for me, and we're going to have a little bit of fun. Thanks for being here, guys.